got it. This little piece right here is something you never knew you needed, but when I show you what it does and how to get it installed, you're gonna wonder why your car never came with these in the first place. And this is exactly what we're gonna be covering in this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and get rolling. If we take a look at our side view mirrors, you'll see a small black rectangle right here on the outer side. And you might think to yourself, hey, it looks like something's supposed to go there, or that's supposed to do something. Well, that piece is actually useless. So we're gonna change that out for a clear piece. And now your turn signal actually is able to shine through, which makes it more visible to other drivers that may be behind you or in your blind spot. Now to get these installed, we first need to remove the mirror covers, starting with the bottom piece. I like to start prying from the innermost side here on the bottom piece. Now this is gonna be a bit easier for me since I've worked on this car a lot, so these pieces are a bit more forgiving. If yours is a bit more challenging, you may need to use a trim removal tool or something of that sort to pry these pieces off. Once that bottom piece is off, I just tuck my fingers under the top mirror cover and then start prying out, and that should pop off. With the mirror covers removed, we now have 2 Phillips head screws that are holding in your turn signal. Go ahead and unscrew those, and then you can just leave the turn signal hanging down here. With the turn signal out of the way, we now have access to this piece, which we are going to replace. Now this is actually molded onto the mirror via these 2 points here. So we need to take a small flathead screwdriver and sort of pry and snap it off those 2 points. You can see I've actually broken a little bit off right here, but it doesn't matter because we are going to be replacing this piece, and this is what it's going to look like after you've got 2 plastic prongs that are gonna hold your new ones in place. So we're gonna head over to the driver's side, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like when I'm actually doing it. Now over on the driver's side, I actually haven't touched this piece yet, so it's still molded onto the mirror. You can see the 2 points right here. I'm just gonna take my flathead screwdriver, place it under those points, and start wiggling it around and putting a little bit of pressure until it snaps. We've got the top one there, now we just gotta get the bottom one. There's that piece that I broke off on the other side. And there we go. And there we're left with the 2 plastic prongs, and we'll take our new one, and that just pops right into place. And we need to reinstall the turn signal and mirror covers, and that's about it. These probably took around 15 to 20 minutes to install, if that. They're pretty inexpensive. I think they're around $30. You probably spend more than that out at the bars or at the movie or something like that. So they're a cheap, quick, and easy small modifications, but sometimes those small modifications are what makes your car, your own. Other people might not notice it, but you installed it and you know it's there. And that is one of the reasons why some of us modify our cars. Is that too cliche to say? That's all right. That's 2-Minute Tuesdays, guys. I'll see you guys next time. No! Oh, I don't know where that screw went. That's great. Oh, there it is. Out at the bars or at a movie night or something like that. If you guys still go to the movies, I'm gonna go to the movies tomorrow. So they are a cheap, quick, easy. So many adjectives. Probably 15 to 20 minutes to install. Something like that.